You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in measuring your team communication. Your team probably has many ways that it communicates, both internally and externally. But maybe you don't know if it's communicating in an efficient manner. And as software developers, you and I know that's important to make data-driven decisions, but to do this, we need data. During this video, we're going to look at 3 distinct and concrete ways that we can measure our team communication. Measurement number 1. What is the percentage of time, on average, that a developer spends in recurring meetings? This should generally trend downwards, as meetings that are not required are removed from their calendars, and maybe some of the contents of these meetings are handled via email chains or text messages. Measurement number 2. What is the response time? How quickly can your team address questions from other teams or within the team? This will generally trend downwards as your team communication system becomes more tuned in order to answer questions from other teams and from within the team. And finally, measurement number 3. What is the number of misaddressed messages? This will trend downwards as people become more used to using the communication channels that you've created, email lists and Slack channels, for example. You can probably think of other things that you want to measure for your team given your specific protocol for communication. But whatever you decide to measure, make a goal for yourself. Maybe by the end of this sprint, come up with 2 distinct things that you can actually measure and get data on. We're going to use that data in the next video on optimizing team communication. You can find that video and so many more development resources at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thanks.